This is the Hwaseong campus, the heart of Samsung's VNAND production. After rigorous biometric
Global supply chains converge here, at the heart of our operations in Hwaseong.
The Czochralski process allows us to grow a perfect single crystal boule from the melt, essential for 300mm wafers.
Here, we produce the ultra-pure chemicals required for VNAND fabrication, ensuring maximum yield with our advanced photoresists and etchants.
The electron beam system writes circuit patterns at an unprecedented nanometer resolution, a critical step in semiconductor fabrication. Automated optical inspection ensures the integrity of every PCB layer before the delicate process of DRAM fabrication begins.
The Czochralski process is how we achieve the high-purity monocrystalline silicon needed for our wafers. It's the foundation of modern semiconductor manufacturing.
Our quality control protocols are integrated directly into the purification process, ensuring every batch meets the stringent standards.
Our approach to vertical integration allows us to optimize every stage, from design to manufacturing. This is
Shipment cleared for entry. Begin decontamination cycle.
Acknowledged. Airlock pressurized.
The X-ray topography shows increased defect density in this region, and the mass spectrometry results indicate
Not boring. This NDA is crucial. It covers VNAND process specifications, layer count roadmaps, controller architecture details, and yield.
VNAND test arrays in retention ovens, elevated temperature accelerating the charge loss mechanisms that would produce data retention.
This cross-section confirms the stacking fault we saw at layer 48.
Yes, the mitigation process for the substitute. Look at the uniformity here on the SK Hynix sample.
It confirms the layer count advantage, but the electrical leakage is higher than Samsung's VNAND.
Samsung's TCAD, Technology Computer Aided Design, simulation environment. The electrical behavior of VNAND cell structures being modeled at the physics level.
The taper profile changes significantly around the 150th layer. The diameter variation is pronounced.
Agreed.
The threshold voltage distribution confirms the stability of the QLC arrays. We have sufficient margin.
Agreed. The data integrity is holding up at the edges.
The WAF spiked significantly during the last test cycle.
Yes, but the wear leveling seems consistent across the blocks.
This repeating pattern suggests a localized issue with the deposition process, despite the overall yield.
The geopolitical instability in Eastern Europe is severely impacting neon gas production.
What's our buffer stock looking like for the next 2 quarters?
The aggregate storage capacity shipped annually has skyrocketed, representing thousands of wafers processed every year.
Creative professionals worldwide using Samsung NVMe SSDs. Film editors cutting 8K footage in real time.
And game worlds loading in seconds rather than minutes, seamless open world streaming without pop-in, and the persistent world experiences that NVMe storage speed enables.
AI research workstations and data science computing clusters, training datasets being loaded from NVMe SSDs at speed.
Samsung's investment here in WAS created a unique ecosystem, linking technical education directly.
From advanced water recycling and chemical reuse to renewable energy and product design, Samsung is committed to sustainable semiconductor manufacturing.
We got him!
Awesome, these speeds are gonna be insane.
flashing light started 5 minutes ago.
It is not critical. Wait for the automated cycle to finish.
This chamber has been etching VNAND channel holes since 2013, a testament to years of continuous production.
Wow, look how fast that loaded. It looks fast.
The overnight yields look promising. Did we isolate the issue on line 3?
Yes, the adjustments stabilized the flow rate by midnight.
A historic achievement for the Hwaseong facility, the first 236-layer VNAND wafer, setting a new global standard.
The investigation into the deviation revealed a critical vulnerability. But with the new protocol in place, we've permanently addressed the root cause.
See this spike here? That indicates a temperature extraction in the deposition chamber, likely a failing heater element.
So the increased temperature shifts the film stress, correct?
I've never seen booth distribution this tight on QLC. We have to verify.
The remeasure confirms it. These margins are a record for this generation.
This facility represents the pinnacle of precision manufacturing. Every engineer you see plays a role, is a vital...
A product consumed by billions every morning, the manufacturing of which most people have never once considered.
Footage not shown in this episode. The extended QA development and laboratory,